In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $15,250 in commission just in one single month promoting affiliate links on YouTube. Okay, I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on YouTube. For beginners, I will show you step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. I will share with you new methods that you should start using if you want to earn some commission with affiliate marketing. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share for free. I made this commission just in the month of March, okay, from the first day of March until the last day of March 31. Okay, let's update this page. Let's see if those numbers will be the same numbers, and as you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers. This is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshots. I'm not sharing with you guys screenshot like other people. I made this commission, but who share dashboard like this? Okay, so anyways, so for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing using free traffic, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, okay, and you need to search for Fiverr, okay. Search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay. It's super easy. After you finish, so just come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this affiliate website of Fiverr. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission and you can check this. So just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So what you need to do next, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. And choose your country, okay? You can choose your country over here and you can choose your language, okay? If you have Skype, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates, okay? So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. You cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific and profitable services that you can promote to earn commission, okay? So how you can choose good and profitable services? So what you will do next, you will go to YouTube, okay? Go and open your YouTube homepage like this, okay? And click over here on the search, okay? And ask question. So for example, I will ask how to create, for example, YouTube. And here you go. You will just ask any question and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for, okay? As you can see over here, this is report search prediction. That's what people are searching for on YouTube. People are searching for how to create YouTube shorts, how to create YouTube account, how to create YouTube banner, how to create YouTube videos, how to create YouTube intro, okay? Let's take for example this topic, how to create YouTube intro. What I will do, I will go back to my Fiverr homepage, okay? Go back to Fiverr, click on the search, okay? Search for YouTube intro, okay? Search for YouTube intro like this. I want you to pay attention in this step, okay? So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, okay? So as you can see, we can find a lot of sellers here who are providing YouTube intro service. So this one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews. This one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews. Let's check this one. For example, I will click on his service. Okay, just click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Okay, like this. Okay, as you can see. So what you will do next, you will copy this seller profile link. Okay, like this, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube, okay? But before we do that, we need to create a YouTube video that we will use to promote our affiliate link on YouTube, okay? So what you will do next, you will go back to this seller profile page, okay? And scroll down. This seller has a video about his YouTube intro example. Let's check this one. I will remove the background music, and as you can see, this seller is really making a good YouTube intros. Okay, this seller is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews. Those people, a lot of people buying this service. As you can see, this seller has a lot of reviews. Which people will buy this service? Of course, just people who has YouTube channels. Okay, so what you will do for this video, double click and click on save video. Okay, you need to save this video to your laptop, so just click on save video. I will name it YouTube intro YouTube. I will click on save. Okay, after you finish, so what you will do next, you will go to Google, okay, and you need to search for Canva. Okay, search for Canva, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and of course it's for free. So you should have an account like this one with Canva, and you just need to come to this page and click over here on video. You will be directly in this page over here. So click over here on upload, click on upload file, and upload your the video that you download from Fiverr. Okay, this video about YouTube intro. Click on open, and here you go. Your video will be uploaded. Click on your video. Your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points. Click on set video as background, and here you go. What you will do next, click on text. Okay, click on text, scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. I will use this one, so just click on the text style, and your text style will be over here. You will delete the second one, and I will keep just using this one. You can decrease the font size of your text and put your text here. Double click on your text and write the sentence. Check link in my description. Okay, check link in my description. Make this text like this. Okay, and put this text here. Check link in my description. Okay, click on the video, click over here on volume, and just decrease the volume to 0. Okay, we don't want the background music, so you will not get any issue with YouTube copyright. Okay, so let's check now. Okay, so what you will do next, let me show you. Okay, so click over here on elements and choose shape. Okay, click on this. For example, I will choose this one like this, and click over here on color and choose black color. Okay, like this, and make this shape like this. Put this shape behind your text like this. To make it looks good. Okay, and here you go. Let me see now. And here you go. Okay. So people who are searching for how to make YouTube intro, they will watch this video, they will see this sentence, check link in my description. People who are interested to make a good and a professional YouTube intro for their YouTube videos, they will check your YouTube description and you will put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. Okay, as you can see. So after you finish, click on share, click over here on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go back to YouTube. Okay, go back to your YouTube homepage, open a YouTube channel. It's for free. It will take just 1 minute from your time. You just need to use your email address and go and upload this video to your YouTube channel. Use this title for your YouTube video. Use this title, how to create YouTube, this title. Okay, use just like this one. Okay, how to create YouTube intro. Use this title for your video. In your description, you can write, for example, like if you are looking to create a professional and branding YouTube intro for your YouTube videos, check link below and what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here. If you don't have this Fiverr CPA old plan, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Okay, copy your affiliate link from here, because for me I have old Fiverr affiliate account. It's almost like 4 or 5 years. This account is very old because I have been doing this business for like 3 years. Okay, so if you don't see this one, you can copy this one from here. It's almost the same, and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. And start promoting all services related to YouTube. Okay, like YouTube intro, YouTube banner, YouTube thumbnails, and so much more. Okay, and that's it. That's how I make my commission. I promote my affiliate links on YouTube, and YouTube, I don't know if you know, so let me show you. So did you know that YouTube has 32 billion monthly visitors? Okay, that's a really big number, guys. YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number 1 and YouTube is number 2. So you can get so much traffic from YouTube if you do it correctly. You don't need to invest any money in paid ads. If you do it correctly with YouTube, you can make so much money with affiliate marketing. Okay, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. And for people who asking me about my course, so I'm really working very hard, guys, to make this course easy and simple for you and available for everyone who wants to start affiliate marketing from scratch. Okay, this course can be done in just 1 month or less. I'm making my best to make it really done very soon. So I will keep you guys updated, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.